Developing smart sensor technologies for the automated industry requires strong industrial partnerships. The interplay between know-how and experience results in future-proof and well-thought-out sensors that meet the actual industrial requirements. The machine builder WEBER Schraubautomaten from Wolfratshausen in Upper Bavaria has been a reliable partner of the sensor manufacturer wenglor for many years. This partnership has resulted in the development of the new inductive ring sensor for detecting metallic objects in a hose, which greatly simplifies the assembly process thanks to its separable housing. The cooperation with wenglor enabled us to apply our mechanical engineering expertise as early as the development process of the inductive ring sensor. This has resulted in a sensor that is perfectly tailored to the requirements of the industry. The collaboration with WEBER has strengthened our goal to develop an inductive ring sensor that meets the requirements of the industry and meets our highest quality standards.